Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many Apple users have encountered, especially after the recent iOS and tvOS 17.2 updates. Our viewer mentioned that since the update, they've been unable to locate their wish list. Initially, they thought it might just be a syncing delay with their Apple ID, but as time passed, the wish list was nowhere to be found. They even questioned if wish lists were completely gone, which seems unlikely. But hey, you never know with technology, right? Now let's talk about the solution to this wishlist mystery. According to the latest update from Mac Rumors, it appears that wishlists for TV shows and movies have indeed been removed by Apple. Yes, you heard that right. The wishlists have bid us farewell and taken a one-way trip to the great bit bucket in the cloud. It's a bummer for wishlist enthusiasts, but it seems like Apple has decided to part ways with this feature. In summary, it looks like our viewer's wish list has vanished into the digital abyss, courtesy of Apple's latest updates. If you've been scratching your head wondering where your cherished wish list went, you're not alone. It's always a wild ride navigating through tech updates, isn't it? Well, that's all for today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and tech savvy.